Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Olwach. I'm a stock market investor and researcher. I talk to people about the stock market. I tell them to save, invest, and grow wealth in the stock market, because I believe the stock market has the ability to make us all rich. Today's topic is this: how to start investing with 1,000 shillings. How to start investing with 1,000 shillings. Ladies and gentlemen, here in the village, 1,000 shillings is a lot of money. 1,000 shillings can buy you a lot of things. But in town, in Nairobi, or Mombasa, or Kisumu, 1,000 shillings is nothing. Very fast, and it's over. But ladies and gentlemen, I want to encourage you. We want to start investing with 1,000 shillings. But if you don't have 1,000 shillings, you can start saving 30 shillings daily. 30 shillings daily times 30 days is 900 shillings, which for the sake of easy mathematics is 1,000 shillings. So then what happens? Every month, you buy 100 shares of ABSA. It is only 1,000 shillings. Of every month, you buy about 200 shares of Kengen. It's about 1,000 shillings. No, Kengen is one stock is 4 shillings, about 5 shillings. So 1,000 shillings will buy for about 200 shares of Kengen. So 1,000 shillings you can use to buy stocks. It can buy you Kengen, it can buy you ABSA, it can buy you Housing Finance, HFCK, it can buy you even Uchumi shares, it can buy you KPLC shares, it can buy you Nairobi Business Ventures, it can buy you Scan Group. 1,000 shillings can buy you many stocks listed at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. 1,000 shillings has power. 1,000 shillings can buy many things. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. You can begin investing with 1,000 shillings. Now, if you keep saving and investing 1,000 shillings every month for 12 months, by the end of the year, you'll have 12,000 shillings. 12,000 shillings, you can buy Safaricom. 12,000 shillings, you can buy Equity Bank. 12,000 shillings, you can buy KCB. About 200 shares of KCB, 200 shares of Equity Bank, 200 shares of Safaricom. 12,000 shillings, you can buy so many stocks. Ladies and gentlemen, you don't need a lot to start. Some people say, oh, investing, you need a lot of money. You don't need a lot of money to start. You can start with what you have. Even 1,000 shillings can do that. Now, let me tell you the miracle of investing. Every month you are buying stocks. Every month you are buying stocks. Every month you are buying stocks and buying more stocks and buying more stocks and buying more stocks. After 10 years or 20 years, you shall have a lot of stocks, a lot of shares. And their price will not remain stable for long. Their price will not remain constant for long. Over time, the price of stocks goes up. And that's how you get rich. By buying shares, and then the value goes up. Let me tell you example of a man I'm reading. I'm reading this book by Warren Buffett. A book on Warren Buffett, and the book is by Alice Schroeder. The guy says that by the year 1950s, one share of Berkshire Hathaway was $7. As I'm speaking to you today, one share of Berkshire Hathaway has grown in value, and now one share is $417,000. From 7 to 400,017. 7 to 400 $117,000. That is how much the share has grown in value over a period of 70 years. So one thing I need to tell you is this thing. Investing is long term. Investing is a long-term journey, and over time, the price of shares goes up. Well, 70 years is a long time to wait, but that's an example of how the stock market grows money, or grows the value of money, or grows the value of your investment over a long period of time and helps you grow rich. Ladies and gentlemen, you can start investing with 1,000 shillings. It's not a miracle. And this man started investing $100. He also started investing 10,000 shillings. So I began by telling you that you can invest 1,000 shillings per month for 12 months. It's 12,000 shillings. You shall have begun at the same level he was 70 years ago. And now he is worth $100 billion. It is trillions if you convert it into Kenyan shillings. A lot of money. And so, ladies and gentlemen, be encouraged. All of us can begin investing with 1,000 shillings. Thao moja tu, usidharau thao. Thao ni muhimu sana. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. There's the red button there. Click on it and click next to it. There's a bell notification. Click on the bell notification so that every time I upload a video, you are alerted. If you're not in our Telegram group, join the Telegram group and learn on the how to grow money over time, because there we buy stocks, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.